Good morning everyone. Once again, Vanessa Sanyong from RDC Realty. I'm here again at your homes located in Malainin, Naik, Cavite. So, andito po tayo sa model ni Amor. I will show you the end and corner unit. Guys, there is a rain water tank that Liora Homes offer sa mga mag-a-avail ng Amora model. There's also a fresh water tank over there. Ayan po, nakikita niyo. So it can stored up to 700 liters of fresh and rainwater. So it reduces your bills up to 30 to 35% for water safety efficiency. We're not done yet. So this is the garage. Yan, sobrang laki. It has a huge windows for good ventilation. Ayan. And also the door that has a screen door. So it will be given to you upon turnover. And then the door, it is a solid wood. Yan po. So let's get inside, guys. Now we are in interior part of our house tour. So ayan po. You can copy the design. So yeah, we are setting white. And also, guys, this is the solar panel board. It can store up to 710 kilowatt power solar energy. It can reduce your electric bill by up to 30%.
The day is unfolding, let's make it bright with morning light, everything.
So this is your kitchen. This is your dirty kitchen. Ayan.
Warmth of the sun, enjoy inside. Housework awaits, but
And guys, here's the toilet and bath. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na rainwater tank. Ayan po yung system. Yan. How are you going to use the stored up rainwater and fresh water? Yan po, guys. Napakaganda, di ba? Let's go upstairs. Yan. Bakal po. Very aesthetic yung stairs. Yan. Guys, this is the first bedroom. So, ang ganda. Ayan. Pwede, you can copy the design. Ito, there's aircon yan. Tapos, you can buy also the bed. If you are big family, ayan, pwede nyo po itong gayahin. Or if you have a visitor, pwede po kayo dito magpatulog. Ayan. Ganda, diba? Bibili din ako. I will buy soon. Next, dito po tayo sa master's bedroom. Ayan po. Yan, napakaganda. Yan. Ganda, diba, guys? Provision for aircon po to, guys. Ayun po, nakaset up na. Mapapaligay po kayo ng aircon. Yan. Tapos ayan, may insect trap para hindi makapasok yung mga langaw. Alam mo, ayan. So, another one. Huge windows yan for good ventilation of air. Yan. Ang ganda, di ba? So, that's it. If you want to avail this property, message me, Vanessa Sanyong from RDC Realty. Bye, God bless. Yeah.